Hey everyone, Cassandra here. Welcome back to another video. So today I have a very quick and easy hair tutorial for you guys. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Before we get started with today's video, I want to remind you, if you like any of the content that I put out, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and keep up with my channel so you don't miss an upload from me. And the products that you'll need today for today's hair tutorial, you're going to need some hair ties, like scrunchies, whatever ones you want to use. You'll need a comb and or a detangler, bobby pins. I use a really big one. You could use whichever size you like. Gel. Have Eco Styler gel and the Pro Style. I'm going to use the Pro Style today. You're going to need small rubber bands as well, like the little ones. Your extensions, clip-in extensions are preferred, so use your clip-ins. And your brush, like your regular brush that you will brush all those baby hairs back with, you'll need that as well. My detangler brush and just smoothing the hair out. I'm not really even brushing it. I'm just smoothing it out just so that I have a nice base. So I'm going to part my hair at the top, only taking a very small section at the very top of my head so that I can place the clips. As you notice, I do not part my hair because the base of my hair with my new growth is extremely tangled up. However, you can and should part your hair so that you can get the best results. To apply your clip-in extensions, the best way to get the best results is to put your clip-in extensions upside down. So as you'll see, the way that I'm clipping these extensions to my head is not the usual way that a clip-in extension would go in someone's head. So clip these clip-in extensions the wrong way. Clip them towards the front of your head, and that way when you lift it back, it will technically be quote unquote upside down. So that's the best way to ensure the best results. It will be seamless. Once you put your ponytail together, you won't even notice that you have clip-in extensions. So this is pretty much as you see towards the front of my head. When I turn around, you're going to see that the clip-in extensions don't even appear. Like you can't even tell that I have them in. So put them upside down. That is the #1 hack, #1 trick when doing ponytails with clip-in extensions. Just clip them towards the front of your head instead of towards the back of your head. So now our ponytail is coming together, you guys. I'm going to just try to gather all my hair up into this ponytail, you guys. And now what I usually like to do is gather all my hair first, put it in a bun, and then brush it back using my gel and my brush, my hairbrush, and then once I'm done, I'll let it loose from the bun. You'll see exactly what I mean. I'll add a bun, and then once I finish gelling my hair down, brushing it up, after that I'll add another ponytail, which will release the bun. But you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So a quick tip, if you're going to use this method where you wrap your hair into a bun and then release it with another ponytail, make sure wherever you have your bun is where you want, wherever you have your bun is the height that you want your ponytail to go. I'm gonna use the Pro Styler gel to add to my hair so that it can hold. You can use Eco Styler gel. Most of the time I do use Eco Styler gel, but my hair when I was filming this tutorial was so dirty. It was my wash day, you guys. Overdue, past due on wash day, and I had to create a hairstyle that would still look cute and get me through the rest of the week because I did not see any foreseeable future of washing this hair. So that is a great benefit about wearing ponytails with extensions, you guys. Your hair will look so cute, dirty or clean. When I tell you guys, my hair was dirty when I filmed this. It was really, really bad. So this is what I meant when I said release my bun with another scrunchie to create my final ponytail. So this is what I usually do. If you have like medium to long hair, or if you're working with extensions, to me I find that it's a lot easier if the hair is wrapped up top a little shorter to make my ponytail. I've always done my hair this way, you guys. I love wearing my hair up. I love wearing ponytails. I love wearing buns, and I usually will always do it like that whenever I need to create a bun, a ponytail, or anything like that. So try it. Let me know down below if you guys do try it, if it works for you too, or if you have another method that you like, because I would love to know. I love trying new things, so let me know down below if you like this method, or if you have another one that you like or prefer. Okay, so now I'm going to create my braid after brushing through the extensions and my hair just to blend it in a little bit. I'm going to create a braid. You absolutely do not have to create a braid. You can leave the extensions out with your hair. Just blend it a little bit. Make sure that it looks all blended and put together. You can do a twist. You can pretty much make, or you can even put it up on a bun. So I want to share with you guys a quick little backstory on this hairstyle. I was going to my cousin's wedding bridal shower, and I have a video on that. I'll link it up above in the cards and down below in the description box. And I had to come up with something quick and easy, and I thought about, okay, let me do this ponytail, but my hair was so dirty that I couldn't use my natural hair to create the length that I wanted. And I had some clips laying around. I said, let me try it with the clips, and voila, this hairstyle was born. So I've been rocking it ever since for summer, and I am loving it. So if you all tried this hairstyle, let me know what you think down below in the comments. I love reading you guys' comments. Let me know, and you know I'll reply back, girl. So hit me with a comment if you tried this hairstyle. So I'm going to apply edge control. I'm using edge booster to apply the edge control, and then I'm going to tie up my hair off camera. So I'm going to wrap it so that all the baby hairs can lay and slay. And that's pretty much it, you guys. This is a super easy, super quick, I mean year round. I'm talking about any kind of hair you have, long, short, medium hair, whatever you like, this you can do. And not to mention, you can be tenderhead like me, you can not be tenderhead, and you can still do this hairstyles. So that's it, you guys. This is the finished results after I've wrapped my hair and laid down the baby hairs. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you made it to the end and you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.